Hey, what is up and welcome to the Sticky Art channel. My name is Justin and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and initial review of the 2020 iPad Pro. So when I ordered the iPad Pro, it actually said it was going to have next day shipping. So when I got a knock on the door the next day, super happy, excited to open up. Come to find out, it was just the iPad Pencil. Apple decided to tease me. 5 days later, I got another knock on the door. Sure enough, it was the iPad Pro. Alrighty, let's get to unboxing it. So it came in the mail, really nice packaging, and arrived safely. I decided to decontaminate everything before further opening. I decided to go with the 256 model. There's a 128 as well as going all the way up to 1 terabyte. And I do hope to use Photoshop in the future on this. I am currently just going to be using Procreate as an artist. Let's open this up. All Apple products, they are all packaged very nicely. Fun to unbox these guys. No tape. Come on, get out of there. Come on. There we go. I'm always really impressed by Apple's design for their packaging. Got a little pull tab, make it easy to pull out the iPad, as well as a matte cover protecting the iPad. And it looks like maybe a manual warranty information, as well as the charger and USB-C to USB-C cord. One of the really things I like about that iPad is that it does have the USB-C and allows for an external hard drive down the road. There we go, the warranty, as well as information and stickers. So the first thing that I'm noticing unboxing the 2020 model is that the camera actually sticks out considerably from the back of the case, more than the 2018 model. So I'll be definitely investing in a protective case. I've already ordered a screen protector from Paperlike for artists. It is great. I've used them before and they give it a paper-like feel rather than using kind of like a glass-like texture. And for artists, it is a great improvement for using the iPad pencil, which I ordered the second generation pencil compatible with this 2020 model as well as the 2018. Apple's put as much thought into this boxing as they have for the iPad. Slides right out really nicely. It's got a matte touch feel on the actual box itself. Got the warranty, their information, and then the iPad pencil. Even has a little protective piece of plastic on there and a pull tab to get it out easily. So this is the second generation pencil, and with the iPad Pros and the 2020, it's really nice. It sticks magnetically to one of the sides of the iPad, this side. Nope, nope, yep. So yeah, it sticks there, and it actually charges while being on the iPad rather than using a additional charger, which is really nice. Other than the change to the camera, the outside of this iPad looks identical to the previous 2018 model. The big increases are going to be the improved chipset, as well as they've increased the RAM from 4 gigabytes to 6 gigabytes on all models, which is really good for programs like Procreate, as well as in the future I plan on downloading and using Photoshop on this iPad. The first thing I launched on here was Procreate, and I painted a Northern Lights scene. This is just a little time lapse of my process. I was really wanting to try out all the brushes as well as max out the layers and see if there were any issues or anything like that. And as far as I can tell, it is identical to the 2018 model. I don't think Procreate has done any updates to take advantage of the increased RAM yet, but there were no issues or slowdowns. Even with some of the fancier brushes, everything is very instant and very, very nice feel to it. I'm really looking forward to playing around with Procreate more, doing some more time lapses in the near future for the channel, as well as some tutorials. So if you guys have any questions or if there are things that you want like me to be filming, let me know in the comments below. I know a lot of people were curious about the 2018 to 2020, if you can do any more layers due to the increased RAM. And as of currently, like I said, I don't think there's been any updates to Procreate, and the layers when I tried different configurations were all the same. So no real increases yet, but there'll be some more Procreate videos that I'm going to be doing in the future. And once again, thanks for joining me in this unboxing of iPad 2020, and I'll provide links to all of the products in the video description below. Till next time, peace.